In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to WooCommerce. By the end, you'll have the Printify for WooCommerce plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site, so you're ready to explore what it can do. First, open your WordPress website and sign in to your dashboard. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the left-hand menu with options like Dashboard, Posts, and Plugins. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has administrator access, since installing plugins requires the right permissions. It's also a good idea to have WooCommerce already set up and your WordPress version up to date for the smoothest experience. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Plugins. This takes you to a page showing what's already installed on your site. From here, click Add New at the top. This opens the WordPress plugin directory, where you can search and add tools directly to your site without leaving the dashboard. In the search bar on the right, type Printify for WooCommerce. Give it a moment to load the results. You're looking for the official plugin that integrates Printify with WooCommerce. Check the name carefully and glance at the details to confirm it's the correct one. If you don't see it right away, double-check your spelling or refresh the page. Occasionally, clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser can help the results appear properly. Once you've found the Printify for WooCommerce plugin, click it to open the details, then click Install Now. You'll see WordPress download and install the plugin in the background. When the Install button changes to Activate, click Activate. This final click turns the plugin on and makes it available in your site. If you accidentally navigate away, don't worry. You can always go to Plugins again and press Activate from the list. That's it. At this point, the plugin is installed and active. You can now explore the plugin within your WordPress dashboard. Look for new options added under WooCommerce or in the sidebar where the plugin lives. Inside, you'll typically find settings, helpful links, and guidance for getting the most out of Printify with your store. If you're new to print on demand, take a moment to review the plugin's documentation and settings so you understand how products, pricing, and shipping are managed. Keeping your plugins updated from the plugins page is also a smart habit for security and compatibility. You're all set to explore the plugin and start tailoring it to your store's needs.